What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, today I got a quick one for you. If you ever have a situation where you stop getting hot water and you have an on-demand system like this one, you want to come out to your garage or wherever it might be located and look around to see if you have a GFCI receptacle. It looks like this, and you can see here there's a light on. That means it's tripped. There's nothing plugged into this, but this can control other outlets in the same room. And in this case, as you can see, that unit is plugged into this outlet, and this outlet is being controlled by this GFCI. So when I reset it, should turn my system back on, and you can hear it already kicking on. Let's give it a second. There it is. This is a quick fix, something definitely look at before you call out a service tech who's going to charge you $100 just to show up to your door. Hope this helped you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.